Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the file is properly encoded. Use MP4 with H, 264 video and AAC audio to avoid server-side reprocessing. Once done, upload over a wired or strong wireless connection to prevent packet loss. That reduces corrupted uploads. Make sure to try incognito or a different browser so you know if the problem is local. If your upload hits errors, stop and re-export with standard YouTube presets. This prevents mismatched metadata that forces extended processing. Now focus on how YouTube handles files. Check platform status or public reports to rule out widespread outages because delays sometimes stem from backlog, not your file. Re-upload a short test clip. If it finishes quickly, your original file likely needs re-encoding. Re-export using constant frame rate, standard bitrate, and the site's presets to reduce server-side transcoding time. Also, avoid long GOP lengths and extreme bitrates since they trigger heavier processing that slows availability. Finish by verifying the processed version plays correctly at all resolutions. Make sure the highest resolution is available before publicizing. If processing remains stuck, delete the upload, re-encode using YouTube's recommended settings, then re-upload as unlisted to force a fresh transcode. If that fails, gather upload ID, file specs, timestamps, and contact YouTube support. This gives engineers the diagnostic data they need. One quick troubleshooting tip. Try splitting the video into shorter parts to confirm.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.